So hey out there guys, it is Thursday, finally Thursday, yeah. Cooling off a bit, but it's still quite humid. It's still in the mid 90s right when I get off of work, so. Ow, damn it. It's cooling off a little now, right now at sunset. It's what, 6, 7 o'clock? Just wanted to show you, I got my lights in. Oh, see if I don't drop them on the floor. These are my lights. I got the Gravity 4x6s. Okay. These are 20-watt LED lights. Same as the round Gravity lights. Except this is only a pair. So I got 2 pairs. I'm only going to run 2 pairs. So 4 lights. Whereas if you get the Gravity Pro bar for this truck at, what did I say it was? $1,200. That is 7 lights. So figure 20 times 7, what's that, 140 watts. This is only going to be 80 watts, but that should be plenty. We'll see. I mean, So this is a driving beam pattern. It's a low profile light. See what it says right there? LED 20 watt. Why did I get these? Just to do something a little different. Everybody else is getting those round LED light bars. I don't think I need 7 of them. We'll start off with these, right? Right. So that's later on. So I'll have to do a review of the lights later, just because of time. I'm just curious on how this light bar is going to mount, because the instructions don't quite make sense to me. I'm figuring I'm going to have to modify something. So this is what I'm going to do. You could do it according to the instructions, but I think this is going to work out better. The instructions for the gutter mount. Okay, so this is your gutter mount bracket that comes with the kit. This is extra, okay, because this truck does not have the gutter. So this is going to be your gutter mount kit, and it shows it mounting like that, okay, because it has to clear the door, so it's got to be a little higher than the door. All right, okay, so the door closes. So again, I don't see it mounting any other way. So here's a little issue I had with mounting these brackets. First of all, the brackets don't come with that bend in them. I put that bend in there. They come flat, you know, so they're at a weird angle. So I put the bend in them. And then you got to screw them into the sheet metal there. Well, what I found out is that these 2 went in good, but these 2 hit something on the inside. So just before they get halfway through, they start tweaking on you. And it took me a while to figure that out. I go, hey, they're too long. They're hitting some more steel back inside there. So that, yeah, it's just frustrating. Frustrating. Should be so simple. Just screw them in, right? Instead they're tweaking and they're just yeah. So that's not good. So what I ended up doing, I ended up cutting these with some bolt cutters. That's for starters. So anyway, so that's what it looks like. See that? Okay. I had the same issue on this side. I had to cut these 2 screws so they screw in nice and flat. Another issue I was worried about was sealing them up. You know, I don't want water getting in there, causing a rust problem. So I wanted some kind of heavy duty caulking in there, and unfortunately it only came in white. For boats, it's some kind of marine caulking stuff, so I go, well, I'll just let it dry and I'll just touch it up later with some black or something. So I figure I'd try this stuff here only because, you know, adhesive sealant marine. I thought it'd be good for that. I don't know. We'll see. I don't want those screws coming loose. Number one, and second thing, I don't want moisture getting in there and causing a rust problem. So we shall see. Since 1970. There's one. It's got 2 screws on. Actually, it has 4. Has a big screw and has a little set screw. Gotta aim these. Ain't gonna happen right now though. Can't aim them in the. Can't aim them until it gets dark and until these things are mounted up. So that takes care of that. Okay, so there's the Carr light bar, all cut to size. I had to take a few inches off each side to fit my truck. I got some brackets on there to make it work. That's on hold right now, but I got the lights on here. See, they're pre-drilled with the holes already. Now I was going to put an antenna on the middle here. I'm thinking right now I might just get one more light and have 5 lights on top instead of 4. Although I think 4 is going to be plenty. We'll see. These are the 4x6 gravity LED lights from KC. One thing says they're street legal, another one says for off-road use only. So I'm kind of confused on that. These are the driving beam, according to driving 20 watts. So that's 20 watt per light. 20, 40, 60, 80 watts total. They have 2 10 watt LEDs mounted inside behind the center section there, both facing back towards the reflector. Very focused. The lens is clear because all the light is getting focused off the rear reflector, so it's pretty precisionally made. Kind of a heavy light. For their size, I didn't think they'd be that heavy. These are cast aluminum, might be some kind of pot metal, but yeah. Heavy, well made as usual, typical KC product. Comes with these light covers, stone guards, plus covers underneath, so you can pop these out and take the back piece out. Connectors, wiring, all that stuff. I'll probably look for an antenna. Maybe tonight, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I've got an antenna, but I think I want to upgrade this. Alright, so let's take a quick look at these antennas. This is different types of antennas. These are the fiberglass type antennas. This is a Wilson silver load, a 5-foot Wilson silver load, similar to what I've got on the roof right now. Except the one on the roof is a 2-footer. So these work out pretty good, but they're awfully heavy. They whip around a lot. In fact, they whip around so much the threads wore out in there. So that's why this one's not on there anymore. And then this one here is a 5-foot fire stick. Had this for a long time, but it eventually snapped off at the base. I think this was on my first trip out to Death Valley. Good antennas, but heavy. So I also got the Wilson 1000 on the roof, which is I think about 5 foot tall whip. base loaded coil. There's a coil and a little black thing on the bottom. So that's that design. So I want that to go along with my new antenna. This is a new antenna I'm trying. It's called the Sirio Turbo 5000. This is made in Italy. It is approximately about 6 foot tall. I saw a lot of good reviews on this antenna, so I thought I'd try it. And one neat feature about this, if you got clearance problems like a garage or anything like that, it doesn't take much to adjust it. Turn it down, give it a twist, tighten it back up, and drive on in your garage or whatever you got, you know. Going through some trees, no need to remove the antenna, just give it a twist, put it back on, tighten it up, good to go. But I'm waiting for the coax to come, because then I got to run the wire, and more wire to run. And I've got to find a place to mount my CB radio. It's probably going to go somewhere. God, the ground's getting hot. There's nowhere to put the radio in here. So I'm thinking, I'm actually thinking of putting it on the back of the console back here, looking up. Basically, you just need to turn it on and set it on the channel. So once it's set, right? No need to see it, because that's the only place I can think of mounting it. Let me show you the light before I shut this down. From the front of the truck, I got a 30-inch Auxbeam, wide Auxbeam. Well, I tried one of these on the Tacoma and I liked it so much I got 2 more for the Bronco. So yeah, why not? And they're very go right there like that. Reasonably priced. Price is a big thing for the amount of light you get off them. It'll work for me, right? I mean, compared to the KC lights, those lights on the roof there cost me $700. Outrageous. They better light up the world for that price.